Stop by and take a look at the 2005 Silverado 1500. The Chevy Silverado 1500 has the lowest cost of ownership of any full-size pickup. This vehicle has less than 125,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: power steering, cruise control, power windows, power door locks, daytime running lights, tachometer, overhead console. This beauty will make even your house keys jealous. Drive it today.
Here's another high-quality vehicle with a Carfax Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the Carfax Buyback Guarantee.